Hello, my name is Saksham Kaushik. I'm 13 and I study in GE Goenka World School. With Python, I made a program to translate words from English to any other language you want. Because I know French, I used French as the other language. The main concepts I used were the dictionary to store all the English and French words. They have to be in a specific order also. The English, which is the key, and the value, which is the French words. Second is functions to retrieve the French version of the word you entered. The third is built-in dictionary functions to make the program smoother and compromise very complicated spaces to make it shorter and smoother. For loops to easily translate and print all the words entered. Lists to store the now translated words so they can be printed properly. The program is actually very short and very easy to understand. This is my program. As I said, it's very short, it's very easy to understand. This is dictionary. So I had to keep it in a certain order so as to not have errors. First the English words and the French words. And I separated known words, just good afternoon, into other sections to avoid errors of separating them, separating all the words you entered to be easily translated. This is an actual function. So let me explain this here. First it asks you what do you want to translate in English. And then this is an empty list which stores the translated word. It comes in later use. The for loop starts here. This is a string, empty string, so I can add the words as the string. Now this is very important. This splits the input into different parts, then so it can be translated word by word into a sentence. Then this empty list stores all the words, and using that empty list, which is now filled with the words, uses a for loop to use this function which takes the input here and gets it from that dictionary. This is the dictionary function dot get, and then it prints it out here. So this is a little demo of the game thing. Dictionary. So I'll just enter hello madam. I'll just give Salut madam. So it's exactly that. Let's try to again with something else. Let's say I want to say good morning madam, and let's just see. So for the exact syntax written here, fine. Bonjour madame, je suis bien, which is exactly what it is. So it works. I also have a lot of other things. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned a lot from it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this, as I master the Python foundations for artificial intelligence. I will be putting this up for everybody else to use, just like Google.